Hi there. So, I want to ask you a question, and that is what do you understand by charity? When this word comes up, what is it that you understand? So, charity is not always about helping the poor, it is basically helping anyone who needs help. And it also means that you don't get any monetary or any similar thing back in return. And one of the things that I get asked a lot, because I volunteer a lot with old people and animals and street dogs, etc., I get asked saying that I want to help, but I can't give time frequently, and the whole thing that I can't do this regularly. So, my thought on that is that for that particular moment, for that particular day, if you can help somebody and make their lives a little better, then just do it. And everything doesn't have to be long term, everything does not require so much thought. So, some of the things that I feel everyone can do is food is made in your house every day. So, if you have any extra chapatis, you have some extra dried bread, just put it out on your veranda or on your windowsill, or if you have a terrace. For birds, squirrels, you know, and rotis, etc., you can give the cows that go past your house, or just carry. Like, I carry old bread, I carry some Parle-G biscuits with me, I carry some water with me. And if you see a hungry dog or a hungry animal, you see some parched animals, just give them some food or water. You don't have to do it every day, but that particular day you could have saved a life. Similarly, when I see children on the road and they're basically trying to sell pens or stationery, and it's just a form of begging because the stuff is shit and nobody wants to buy it, I always buy them a meal. Same with women. If they come, or men, if I'm in the market and they come and ask for money, I normally don't give money. But I ask them ki Baba kuch khaoge, and I go and buy them food. Am I going to be able to do it every day? Am I going to be able to ensure that this person never goes to sleep hungry? No, I can't ensure that. But for that day, I believe I made a difference to that person. Maybe they were on the last leg of hope and I was able to help them. So don't let frequency limit your willingness to help someone in need. Then, of course, you have the whole thing of contributing to charities, but many people feel that is the money reaching the right place? If it's a bona fide charity, an organization, an NGO, and they've given you an official account, whatever that money is used for, whether it is used for putting a new roof for the shelter animals or vaccinations or sterilizations, it doesn't matter. And if you are particularly worried that your money may be misused, approach an NGO or a charity that you like and ask them what do they need. Do they need, for example, school kits for the school going children at an orphanage? Do they need some blankets? Do they need sanitary products? Whatever it is that they need, you can just give them those products directly, and it's a one time thing. You can do it. Similarly, old clothes, there are multiple organizations that will come and pick up clothes from your house. Make sure that they are washed and clean and not torn, because somebody else is going to wear them. And so the whole point of this is that whatever charity means to you, to me, it means helping someone who at that moment needs something. And it doesn't matter how small or big your gesture is, every little bit counts. It could be buying someone a glass of sugarcane juice when they're really thirsty. It could be handing out some samosas. I remember when I was in Gurgaon and I would go to work in winter and I had made sandwiches in the morning. I would make a few extra sandwiches and roll my window down and hand them out to kids who had, lit some paper and were trying to keep themselves warm. They may not be there tomorrow. I may not pass that way tomorrow, but for that day, they had a full belly. So think like that, and don't overthink it. Just reach out, whether it's animals, old people, it's children, whether it's an orphanage, you want to contribute your time to teaching, at an orphanage, do whatever it is that you feel you can commit. But my grandfather used to say that you need to leave this world better than you found it, and also you need to be of use to some other person other than yourself. And if you have made anyone's life even slightly better, you've done your job on this earth. So don't look at the largeness or the grandiose nature of the gesture. Just look at that moment. Did you make a difference? Were you kind? Did you help someone? Did you put a smile on someone's face? Just look at it that way. And if the answer is yes, then that's charity. That is you helping someone. It's not feeling sorry for someone. It's not giving things that you no longer need to somebody else. It is being kind. Charity is being kind and helping someone. So I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it made sense. And if I did manage to touch your heart and I did manage to make you feel a little good, and even if one gesture you do to help somebody, then I think my work here is done. Do write in, comment, and tell me what you think. Also, tell me any topics that you would like me to discuss. And as I've always said, that if you give me a question or your thoughts, either as a comment or in a message, I will respond. So, thank you for taking time. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for giving me a moment of your busy day. You take care and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.